As a wise woman named Julia Child once said, "People who love to eat are always the best people." We couldn't agree more. Is there a more solid friendship than one built around a common love of food? Nothing bonds two people more than baking cookies together or splitting a burger and fries at a favorite neighborhood diner.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best gifts for foodies. So let's get started. Number 1. ROUNDFIRE Concrete Tabletop Fire Pit. With graphite-colored concrete and a marble effect base, the small fire pit makes for a beautiful decoration even when it's not on. Its construction is not only pretty, but also practical, as the marble protects delicate surfaces from the flame's heat. This also means that you can safely place this fire pit on everything from indoor dining tables and marble kitchen countertops to outdoor patio furniture. Yup, the fire pit is designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Unlike many ethanol tabletop fires, this portable fire pit can be used with multiple alcohol fuels for a clean, ventless fire. The brand recommends bioethanol fuel, isopropyl, or rubbing alcohol. Number 2. FLYBYJING Sichuan Chili Crisp. As a former pastry chef, I'm always on the quest for bold, mouth-watering flavors. And I especially love when I find delicious kitchen staples that are versatile enough to be incorporated into every meal. Spicy, acidic, sweet, crunchy, silky. Hand me a jar of anything tasty and chances are it won't last a week in my house. Now, you may know about my infatuation with the funky fermentation masters over at Acid League. Or maybe you read the post where I gushed about the salty chocolate tahini from Soom that I was quite literally eating by the spoonful. Or maybe you just recently heard about my discovery of FLYBYJING's triple threat, a trio of flavorful essentials I've been pouring over every single dinner lately. Number 3. Instant Pot Duo Plus. The Instant Pot may be categorized as a pressure cooker, but it's really a multifunction kitchen appliance that covers all the bases for a busy foodie. As the name implies, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 moonlights as 9 kitchen appliances: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, sauté pan, steamer, egg cooker, warmer, and sterilizer. Not only is it versatile, but the manufacturer says it cooks food up to 70% faster than other cooking methods, making it an ideal gift for the time-pressed foodie on your list. Number 4. Click and Grow Indoor Herb Garden. If you're searching for a gift for anyone who values the taste that fresh herbs can bring to a dish, the Click and Grow Smart Garden 3 is a great choice. This self-watering indoor garden comes equipped with energy-efficient LED grow lights that ensure the plants thrive in any weather. It looks cool, too. Click and Grow offers more than 50 pre-seeded plant pods, like basil, cilantro, lavender, strawberries, and chili peppers, that your foodie friend can choose from when it comes time to replant. True green thumbs can try filling the plant cups with potting soil and seeds of their choice instead. Number 5. Lodge Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Skillet. Choice among professional chefs, but every foodie who likes to cook at home should have at least one cast iron pan. This Lodge cast iron skillet comes pre-seasoned with 100% vegetable oil, so it's ready to sear, bake, sauté, broil, fry, or grill right out of the box. It also seamlessly transitions from the stove to the oven and can even be used on the grill or over a campfire. The 10.25-inch model is an ideal size for cooking for small families. But if you're buying for a single foodie or someone who likes to cook for a bigger crowd, you can take your pick from any size between 3 and 15 inches. That was our list of the top 5 best gifts for foodies just for you.